Nangyari sa TV, taga Esquire Philippines. May bibigyan tayo ng iPad. So, one of the before we get started with the vlog, let me just tell you that you should watch until the end because I'm feeling like, gusto ko mamigay ng TV today. Tsaka iPad. TV, iPad. Oy, Carlo here. So in the last vlog, I shared with you na magtatayo kami ng shop in Greenhills. So 500 square meter space. It will be all about toys, collectibles, from sneakers to cards, to collectible art, and to whatever it is na nagpapasaya sa atin. Maybe even watches, who knows, as well as streetwear. It will all be in that 500 square meter space over at Greenhills. Now, I mentioned to you guys na it will also be a live selling hall. So we will be equipping the booths, the renters that we have, with live streaming equipment. So kung gusto nila mag-live selling on Facebook, kung gusto nila mag-live selling on Instagram, and of course, tuturuan din namin sila ng best practices when it comes to digital marketing. By the way, if you want to be one of our renters, I will put a link down below na pwede nyo i-click para pwede kayo mag-apply to either rent a cabinet kung nagsisimula pa lang kayo, or if you want a bigger booth, you can also do that. Now, anyway, tong vlog na to, kukwento ko lang sa inyo kasi one of the big features of the hall is a digital TV wall. So parang gusto namin sa labas sana or siguro sa loob, depending kung saan namin talaga pwede ilagay, are massive TVs that would live broadcast the sellers inside. So kunyari may nag-live streaming sa loob, nagbebenta ng laruan, nagbebenta ng sapatos. Gusto ko nala-live stream din siya in the big TV facing outside the mall, or maybe of course online din. So in today's vlog, may check lang akong TV kasi I ordered one TV. It's the new Realme Smart TV, which sells for like less than around 15,000 pesos. And gusto ko lang i-test. So if it works, if maganda yung quality niya, then maybe that will be our Smart TV brand for the hall. Sobrang exciting talaga. I'm super excited for that business and I hope you guys are too. Ang haba ng intro ko, no? So apart from checking that TV, by the way, we will be also, I probably also bring you guys along with me later on in the afternoon, maybe around 6-ish. We'll be dropping off some shoes that we will restock the current steel cabinet. Obviously later on, lilipat yung steel cabinet na yon. Tapos, pupunta na yon dun sa final space natin. So anyway, yan ang vlog natin today. Keep on watching. Tara, let's go! I'll just show you guys how messy our living room is and I'll show you the box of the TV. So ito siya. Ang gulo-gulo! Anyway, so tabi muna natin to. So here it is. This is it. This is the Realme Android TV. 108 centimeters, 43 inch. This one has built-in smart features. Pwede ka mag-Netflix. May Dolby Audio siya, so baka hindi mo na kailangan necessarily mag-soundbar. And meron din siyang Chromecast, so madaling mag-stream. So we will open this, check it out. Bagong TV na Realme for around 15,000 pesos. Pwede kaya siya sa shop natin? We will find out. Ano nangyari sa TV? Hala. Hi, Ramfold Dusty. Hi, Dusty. Do you like the TV? Do you like the TV, Dusty? Do you like the Realme TV? Hala, sana hindi nabasag. Here it is. We have it. This is the Realme 43-inch Smart TV. Android TV has smart functionalities ranging from Chromecast to built-in Netflix, watching YouTube. Ang tanong ngayon, why would you still buy like a TV, diba? If you ask me, two reasons. One, for business purposes, like me, yun yung gagawin namin, plano namin i-set up. But also, with the lockdown, I think people and families should invest more into shared spaces like the living room. Kasi it's a fantastic place pa rin to bond with your family. It's a fantastic place pa rin to be able to share, quality time with the people that you love. And investing in a good smart TV, before, sobrang mahal, sobrang crazy expensive. Kailangan mo gumastos ng tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands. Now, because of technology and because of brands such as Realme, sobrang mas mura na siya. I am blown away with the fact that you can get like a 30-inch TV for less than 10,000 pesos, which is one of their entry-level models. This one is their 14 or 15,000 peso model. That's 43 inches. Mas malaki. So ako mas trip ko ng slightly bigger. So yun, ang galing lang. So if you guys are looking for TVs, if you are looking for a smart TV, an Android TV, something that you can, easily enjoy entertainment, your Netflix, your YouTube, check them out. Dalhin lang natin si Mrs. sa dentista. Guys, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa channel ni Mrs. Di ba, babe?
Yes, Kasenso with Gerard and Mitch.
May video sila about Bitcoin. Panoorin. Okay, so we're here at the dentist. So my wife just went in the clinic. Now at this point in the vlog, I just remembered meron pala akong interview with Esquire Philippines. So they want me to talk about my journey in sneakers, my favorite shoes, my favorite collection. So nagpark muna ako dito sa gilid, as in literally sa gilid ng road. Tapos dito tayo mag-i-interview via Zoom. So let's go! Guys, ganito kami mag-interview ngayon sa gitna ng kalsada in the middle of nowhere. Kaway naman kayo dyan, oh. Yun, oh, taga Esquire Philippines. Yo! So interview just finished. Now we will head on over home to get the shoes and then we'll drop it off to Sean, so for the steel cabinet. So we're here at my parking lot. May papakita lang ako sa inyo. May pinahiram na kotse sa akin si Cherry, not Cherry Mobile, yung Cherry Cars. So this is the Cherry Tigo 2, I think. So sells for like 700,000 pesos. 770. Yan siya, oh. Hindi sa akin yan, so pwede ko pakita. Kahit tingnan nyo pa yung plate number. Hindi ako yung nagmamayari niyan. So they loaned it over. So abangan ninyo yung review. I will be doing a video on that one very soon. So anyway, yun lang gusto ko lang pakita. So we'll take a look at some of the shoes that I'll be bringing over to the steel cabinet, to Sean, the rest of the guys. So if you guys are interested to find out what's for sale over at Greenhills, a few more shoes. Let's check it out. First up, we have the Under Armour Hover Phantom Sashiko. So it's Sashiko because of the way it is stitched. Really nice pair of shoes. Used once for review, size 12. Nike Air Zoom 95. So I reviewed this for the vlog. I'm not wearing it anymore. So again, worn once or twice maximum. This is size 13. I'll probably sell it for half the price that I got it, 50% off. This one, I'm still on the fence because it just looks really nice. So I'm still torn if I will be selling this or not. I really like this shoe. It is one of the more comfortable Nike shoes, the Air Flight 89s, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But they're really nice. So I'm still on the fence if I will sell this. So let's see. Oh, I haven't even worn it a lot. Oh, I almost forgot to mention. So to those who are wondering when the Esquire video will come out, the interview that I just did, it will be coming out end of March. Basta I will link it once it's available, once it goes up. So abangan nyo na lang if you guys want to watch what we talked about. So I'll get the shoes upstairs, then we'll head on over to the steel cabinet so we can drop off the shoes. Kaway naman kayo! You know.
Hi, Chief.
What's up? Okay, so we're back. So babe, kamusta ang trip mo to the dentist?
Thanks, Doc JR.
So kung nasa Greenhills kayo, tapos naghanap kayo ng dentista, hanapin nyo ang Buena Zeda Cruz Dentist
Buena
Family.
Zeda Dental Clinic.
Sa link ko IG nila. So before we end the vlog, I just have two more things to do. So I'll show you the space again so that I can share with you saan namin plano lagay yung TV na in-unbox at kunento ko kanina. And then yung panapos natin for today's vlog, may bibigyan tayo ng iPad. So one of the anyway, so one of the secrets on how you can do multiple things is by at the same time is if you're able to build like really good teams. So I'm fortunate and blessed that I have several teams that I work with across the different businesses na meron tayo. So yung isa kong teammate, si JC, has been working with us for a few months now. And minsan kasi nag-present sa akin yan, tas gamit niya parang Samsung tablet na maliit. So gusto ko lang siya bigyan ng something to show him that we appreciate him. In the same way na when si Sean started, we gave him like an iPad. So at least dalawa na sila. So tara, bili tayo ng iPad. Basta Apple gadgets beyond the box. So this is it, guys, the new iPad Air. Nabibigyan natin kay JC. So kaway naman kayo dyan, oh. Kaway. Beyond the box dito sa Greenhills. Best pagdating sa mga Apple gadgets. Yun. This is JC, ang aming hardworking HR slash, ano ba siya? Operation slash HR slash logistics. So brother, pwede mo na i-retire ang yung Samsung. Thank you for working hard. May pa-iPad kami. Woohoo! Yun, yung space namin, oh. Panalo! Boom! Oh, peace bomb. Kasi bawal mag-hug. Anyway, so we're back here in the condo. So as you guys saw, we gave the iPad. We took a look at the space again. We bought stuff and pagod. Anyway, so like what I mentioned at the very start, I am going to give away the TV that I showed you earlier. That's the reason why I didn't turn it on. That's the reason why we didn't do like a comprehensive review, because I want to keep it in pristine condition for one of you. Isa sa inyo nanonood ngayon will get that Realme 43-inch TV for free. O, di ba, panalo? All you have to do is two things. Number one, you have to follow me on Instagram. Number two, you have to follow Project 721 on Instagram. Both of their links can be found down below. Number three, you have to subscribe to my channel. And number four, comment lang kayo sa baba on anything that you like about today's vlog. Parang di ko alam kung ano yun. Maybe something that you like about the TV, whatever it is. Basta comment lang kayo sa baba. And include your IG handle. I'll be drawing the winner. Ano date ba ngayon? Siguro end of March. So 2 weeks. We have roughly a little over 2 weeks. End of March, I'll draw the winner. Watch the vlog. Sa pinakadulo ng March, nandun yung announcement. O, di ba panalo? And with that said, that actually wraps up this vlog for today. I hope you guys are doing fine. I hope you continue watching and continue journeying with me as we put together and build the shop over there at Greenhills. This is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.